Hi, I'm Jennifer Louie.
Hi, I'm David Louie.
Welcome to Boise and beyond. Today we're at Second Chance Building Materials. It's a do-it-yourselfer and home remodeler's paradise. They're located at 1423 West Grove Street. If you're like us and fixing up your house, you know how quickly it can add up, unless you check out this store. So how does it work? Well, why don't we talk to the store manager, Sarah, and she'll tell you all about it.
Bonjour, Sarah.
Bonjour.
So tell us about Second Chance Building Materials.
Well, Second Chance Building Materials was opened in 2004 by Melanie Curtis, who had just years prior opened a local nonprofit called Supportive Housing and Innovative Partnerships that manages several safe and sober living houses throughout the Treasure Valley.
Okay.
Melanie realized soon after opening SHIP that employment was also a key aspect in people in recovery to be successful. So she in turn opened Second Chance, and just 5 years ago we actually opened a second location in Canyon County.
Oh, great. And so why is this store so unique?
Second Chance is unique because of all the great things it does in the community. So our donors bring us usable building materials instead of taking them to the landfill. We in turn write them a receipt. We are a 501c3 nonprofit, so all donations are tax deductible.
Okay.
Then we in turn sell the products to the general public for a cost of half or less of the retail price.
Okay.
And all the proceeds go back to SHIP. And so they help local folks, and we accept all kinds of donations. We have doors, windows, lighting, flooring,
everything.
sinks, a little bit of everything.
That's great. And what do you love about this store?
I love the creativity of our customers. Our customers come up with the most original ways to reuse and repurpose items, not only for remodel jobs, but also for arts and crafts.
Yeah.
We also highlight a lot of our projects on our window of fame in our Boise store. People, products that they had come up with using materials from our store.
Yeah, okay. And so finally, what is your favorite local business here in Boise?
One of my favorite local businesses is a Cucina de Palo, which is a quaint little Italian restaurant owned by Paul and Mary Jean Wagner. They make all their food from scratch with love, and they also are the caretakers of Betty the Washerwoman, who is a Boise icon in her own. She's been washing clothes on the side of Vista Avenue since the 1950s.
Wow.
So if you stop in there, they'll tell you more about her too.
Okay, we will. So thank you, Sarah, for your time, and I will do some shopping over here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching us today. We are real estate agents here in the Treasure Valley.
We know that owning a home is more than just the house you live in. It's also about the community. So if you've been considering buying or selling a house here in Boise or the Treasure Valley, give us a call. We'd love to share our expertise and our experience with you.
Hey Sarah, can I take a picture of you?
Absolutely.